In this video, you will learn step 2 of your action plan to start learning programming. Know your purpose of learning. Knowing the specific reasons for which you have started learning programming makes it clear for you to take your next set of actions. Brainstorm yourself and know what is your goal. A clear definition of your goal sets the next set of actions you need to take. For example, if you are in your last semester of your degree, then your goal can be like preparing for my first job as a software engineer or after my degree. Now this statement makes it very clear about what you are going to do. This goal statements can be used to derive your set of actions which you need to take next. For example, some of your actions can be like learning the basics of programming language, being passionate about learning the new stuff, and trying to be prepared mentally for the new job and then learning the new programming language in your first company. As another example, say if you are a non-IT professional and you are looking for a career change as a software engineer. In this case, your goal can be like preparing for a career change as a software engineer. Now this statement again makes it very clear about your goal and what you want to take as your next action steps. Some of your action steps can be like learning the programming basics for a programming career, understanding what are the requirements required as a software engineer in an IT field, looking for the internal opportunities present in your company so that you can do a career switch a lot easier, knowing the responsibilities and the new stuffs you need to learn in a company in order to get started with programming. So as step 2, know your purpose of learning programming. Having this clear goal makes it easier for you to take a set of actions which will be helpful to carry forward in the next steps.